Satco's Dimension tape line of products is available for a wide range of installations and projects. From the beginner to the professional, for indoor and outdoor applications, there are 4 groups to choose from: Color, Performer, Plus, and Pro. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Dimension Performer Kits. Our Performer Kits have RGB functionality as well as tunable white capability, and has 2 different installation methods available. The Dimension Performer Kit is perfect for kids' rooms, gaming, and areas where color effect or functional white light is desired. The kit includes indoor 16-foot RGB tape light reel with 3M tape pre-installed on the back for a quick installation. A controller with IR remote control, which allows you to power on and off, switch between white color temperatures, colors and effects, as well as dim and brighten the light. 2 power source options are available: a 120 volt plug or 120 to 277 volt junction box for direct wire installation. Additional features include 1120 lumens per reel and a CRI of greater than 80, 50,000 hour rating, and a 1-year limited warranty. For more information on our Dimension products, go to satco.com.